Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking up something truly special and comforting, pork belly kakuni. This dish is all about tender, slow-cooked pork belly simmered to perfection. And we are starting right from the basics, including how to prep the pork to ensure it's beautifully tender and full of flavor. Let's get started on this mouth-watering journey. First, let's cut the pork belly into your preferred size. Remember, it will shrink a bit when cooked, so slightly larger is better. Cut the green onion into 5 cm pieces. Use both the green part for its deodorizing effect and the white part for flavor. Adding leek helps soften the meat. You can substitute with onions for a similar effect. In a pan with a bit of oil, start frying the pork belly. A little oil helps release the fat from the pork, enhancing the flavor. Once you've got a nice sear on one side, flip it over to brown the other side. After browning both sides, add enough water to cover the meat and bring it to a boil. Let it boil briefly, then reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 20 minutes to skim off any excess fat. This branching step helps render out the fat and tenderize the meat. While boiling the pork belly, let's mix the ingredients. Since the flavor concentrate when reduces, adjust the amount of soy sauce according to your taste preference for lighter flavor. If you prefer, you can substitute the ginger too with freshly sliced ginger for a more authentic touch. For those who like it a bit sweeter, feel free to add 1 to 3 tablespoons of sugar to taste. Sugar not only sweetness but also gives a nice grace to the dish. Drain the pork belly and then place it into a pressure cooker. Add the seasoning ingredients and green onion to the cooker. Make sure the pressure cooker is securely closed. Then, cook over high heat until steam starts to escape. Adjust the time based on your pressure cooker's specifications. Once steaming, reduce to low heat and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Be careful with the heat setting. Too high and you might end up with a dry or overly concentrated dish. Low heat is key. Wait for the pressure to fully release before opening the lid. Reducing the sauce at the end thickened it and add shiny glaze to the meat. Simmer without the lid, just like you would in a regular pot. If the green onion becomes too soft, remove it before reducing the sauce to your desired thickness. Be mindful when reducing. If there are vegetables in the dish, remove them first to prevent them from becoming too spicy from the concentration of flavors. Serve with Japanese mustard on the side, over rice with some green onion and optionally a sprinkle of shichimi togarashi to make a delicious bowl. Lately, we've been enjoying this dish with mashed potato. A fantastic pairing was discovered at the local izakaya. We highly recommend trying it out. Let's look over what we used today. And there you have it, a delicious pork belly kakuni, ready to impress at any meal. Whether served over rice or with mashed potatoes, this dish is a true comfort food, bringing warmth and joy with every bite. Thanks for joining us today. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious adventures from Japan. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!